Hey friends, welcome to Tech Facts. Today we are going to discuss a very common topic, that is single page applications. Before moving into this topic, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and share. So let's start with the old traditional way of building a web application, that is multi-page application. What is multi-page application? As the name indicates, each time when the user visits a page, data will be sent from the browser to the server and a response is sent back from the server. So when the new request is sent to the server, a new page is requested from the server to display in the browser. By a new page, it means the same HTML, the same JavaScript and the same CSS will be loaded again and again. This process takes time because to generate the pages and displaying in the browser, it is a time-consuming process. So as a result, the site gets slower. This is just a diagram to get a clear understanding so that for each request, an HTML will be returned from the server. Let's jump into single page applications. Most of the high traffic sites are now moving away from the traditional approach and adopting single page applications. That is because the single page applications are much faster than multi-page application. During the initial load itself, all the required HTML, JavaScript and CSS will be loaded in the single page application. It is stored locally. So as a result, the site gets faster. After the initial load, only data is sent back and forth to the server and not HTML as in multi-page application. Now let's discuss some of the limitations of single page application. The initial load time, not search engine friendly. It usually shares a single URL and security issues like cross-site scripting. The initial load time will be much faster since it needs to load all the required HTML, CSS and JavaScript in the initial load itself. It is not search engine friendly. As it shares only a single URL, this will have some limitations while considering the SEO techniques. Although Google and other search engines had adopted few indexing techniques, but still we can consider that as a limitations. It usually shares a single URL. Only a single URL will be shared. If we want to share a subpage URL, that is not possible. Then other security issues like cross-site scripting. This is how single page application works and data flows in single page application. Today we have a wider choice of frameworks for building SPAs. Major SPA frameworks are Angular, React, Backbone, Vue, Meteor. So you just need to identify a proper framework based on your requirement. Let's discuss about another interesting topic in the next video. Thank you.